Okay, the first gauge I showed you was the oil pressure gauge. Second gauge I showed you was fuel pressure. Again, this will need 58 pounds of fuel pressure with no vacuum or boost reference. And here's what we got for horsepower at the hubs of our dyno cart. We gotta add 15% parasitic loss for our rear end, which
I think it's 470 something. Let's take a look. So
yeah, you take the number from our hubs of our dyno cart. You,
so 404, right? So 404 divided by 0.85 for 15% parasitic loss, and that gives us 475.
so 475 at the crank of the George's 6 liter. This is a 6 liter with a VCM cam. Let's see, it's got 243 heads on it, upgraded trunnion rockers. We still have to install a Holly 302-1 oil pan that we didn't have in time for the dyno. You want to pull up the torque now? There's the torque number right there. 394. Again, you'll have to add 15% to that. It starts out really torquey right here at like 1800 RPMs. It's still over 300 right there. So this is a torquey one. So George Neira, I hope you enjoy your engine. Anything else, Mark?
Nope, I enjoy it.
All right, well, our phone number is 207-261-1341. We are Bog Brook Auto. Thank you.